Well, good afternoon, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for Northern Lower and East Upper Michigan. Today is Saturday, the 30th of March, 2013. Some rather substantial changes are expected in our weather, as much cold air spreading across the area. Sunday night through Monday night will kick off lake effect snow showers in the typical snow belts of Northern Michigan, some of which could be accumulating. This will cause slick roadways and areas of reduced visibilities in falling and blowing snow. And with those gusty winds, some gale force winds are expected across portions of our nearshore waters through that period, resulting in rough boating conditions. Looking at the current weather map, you can see the leading charge of somewhat cooler air is a cold front stretching from Minnesota back across South Dakota. Now this is kicking off an area of rain that has mixed with and even changed over to snow across parts of Upper Michigan this afternoon. And this area of rain and mixed precip will spread east, resulting in mainly rain across northern lower Michigan tonight, with a rain, snow, and potentially all snow across eastern upper Michigan, although no accumulations are expected. Now farther to the north, you can see a cold front stretching across parts of central Canada, and this will usher in much colder air as this drops rapidly southeast, stretching from the eastern Great Lakes down into the central plains by Easter evening, Sunday evening. Now this will result in much colder weather and some very gusty northwest winds, with the core of the coldest weather overspreading the area Sunday night through Monday night as large high pressure builds south out of Canada. You can see here by Monday morning located over in North Dakota. Now these gusty winds overspreading the waters will once again kick off lake effect snows targeting the traditional snow belts of northern lower and east upper Michigan. As it looks now, the greatest concern for any substantial accumulation will be across eastern upper Michigan, where several inches of snow is expected by the time everything wraps up early Tuesday. Still a lot of question marks over northern lower, although we still do expect at least a few inches of snow in the snow belts through early Tuesday, along with gusty winds producing some blowing and drifting snow. You can see that here on the weather graphic. Tonight there will be some periods of rain with temperatures in the 30s, once again perhaps mixed with snow across eastern upper, but the bigger story is the return to much colder weather by later Sunday right through Monday and Tuesday. As it looks now, much of Easter Sunday though actually looks rather pleasant, with temperatures in the 40s and 50s before that cold air arrives late, and just a few showers scattered about Sunday morning and again Sunday afternoon, but not a big deal. And then Monday and Tuesday dominated by lake effect, especially Monday into Monday night, with accumulations expected across the snow belts. And then we start to moderate Wednesday and Thursday along with quieter weather. So recapping those hazards, accumulated lake effect snow and gusty winds expected Sunday night through Tuesday. Biggest concern across eastern upper Michigan. And gale force winds are possible Sunday night through Monday night over much of the nearshore waters bordering northern Michigan. Now this concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. The next update is scheduled around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.